Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, salam sejahtera, namo buddhaya, and salam harmoni. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nika Deopi Swandari with student ID number is 2113011007 from class 5C Mathematics Education. On this occasion, I will answer questions from the following questions. In Zitland, opinion polls were conducted to find out the level of support for the president in the forthcoming election. 4 newspaper publishers did separate nationwide polls. The result for the 4 newspaper polls are shown below. Newspaper 1, 36.5%. Poll conducted on January 6 with a sample of 500 randomly selected citizens with voting rights. Newspaper 2, 41.0%. Poll conducted on January 20 with a sample of 500 randomly selected citizens with voting rights. Newspaper 3, 39.0%. Poll conducted on January 20 with a sample of 1,000 randomly selected citizens with voting rights. Newspaper 4, 44.5%. Poll conducted on January 20 with 1,000 readers pointing into vote. Which newspaper's result is likely to be the best for predicting the level of support for the president if the election is held on January 25? Give 2 reasons to support your answer. So, the way to answer this question is according to Polya steps. Okay, number 1, we must understand the problem of the question. In this case, we have to find out which newspapers are accurate in predicting the presidential election. Number 2, we must plan problem solving. The solution to this problem is by analyzing the percentage and number of citizens who vote randomly. Also, pay attention to the election date so that there are no change in the election. Number 3, we must implement the solution to the problem. In accordance with the solution plan, we can analyze the newspaper one by one. From the analysis, the correct answer is newspaper 3 because the poll is more recent with large sample size, a random selection of the sample, and only voters were asked. Additional information should be ignored. Newspaper 3, they have selected more randomly with voting rights. Number 2, it has asked 1,000 people randomly selected, and the date is closer to the election date, so the voters have less time to change their mind. Number 3, they were randomly selected and they had voting rights. Number 4, it survived more people closer to the date. Number 5, the 1,000 people were randomly selected. So, why newspaper 1, 2, and 4 are not correct? Because newspaper 1 had asked 500 people randomly selected, and the date was so far from the election date that voters had more time to change their minds. So, newspaper 1 is not good at predicting the level of support for the president if the election is held on January 25. Newspaper 2 had asked 500 people, randomly selected, and the date was close enough to the election date that voters didn't have much time to change their minds. So maybe newspaper 2 is not good at predicting the level of support for the president if the election is held on January 25. Newspaper 4 has asked 1,000 people. The date is close to the election date, so voters have less time to change their minds, but readers are calling to vote. So, newspaper 4 is not good at predicting the level of support for the president if the election is held on January 25. Okay everyone, that's all from me. Thank you for the attention and Om Santi 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 Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, salam sejahtera, namo buddhaya, and salam harmoni.